In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your Stripe account to X. To begin, open your web browser and go to stripe.com, then sign in to your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, open a new tab and visit x.com and sign into your X account using your registered email or username. After logging in, you'll land on your home page. From the left-hand sidebar, click on the More option, and from the drop-down menu, select Monetization. Inside this section, choose Become a Premium Creator. If you haven't selected a premium plan yet, X will ask you to choose one before proceeding. Review the available plans and pick the one that fits your content goals, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After enabling monetization, X will prompt you to connect your Stripe account. Click on the link provided and a new window will open where you can authorize the connection. Log into your Stripe account again if required and confirm the integration. Once everything is approved, you'll see a message indicating that your Stripe account has been successfully connected to X. And that's all. This is how you can link your Stripe account on X. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.